What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Talion EXB. What I'm doing today, just a little casual test drive, but I got it on EXB. Got the guitars, some fresh guitars on there. Just want to see how she gonna hold out. Get into it. Yeah, these guitars hold it down though. I'm gonna fix the steering come real quick, be right back. Ooh. Oh, a car. Yeah, at a new location. Now I can rip her up. I prefer these guitar tires, because they work pretty good on a couple vehicles. Like on my Mojave 6S, they work perfectly. They are better than the factory tires that come with. Yo, this thing is a rocket. Need to do a nice little speed test with these tires on here. You got the sliding effect. A little bit. Whoa. I got a Castle ADAS system in here, the Mamba XL, and the 1650 kV motor. Most likely ain't or can't run on ADAS. I don't think these tires will hold up. This thing sit low to the ground. This is another favorite. If you want to bash around with something that stays planted to the ground, definitely a Talion. Got hot racing hubs all around. This is a little upgraded power hobby servo. And the battery I'm running in here is cracked. It's not a crappy battery, but it's only a 5200 milliamp battery, Onyx. 5200 milliamp, 80C. You figure that's moving that good, that well, this long on that battery. Sometimes them expensive batteries don't matter. I wish I had more places to jump, man. I would have a ball. Can't even see it. My little lights work. I can see the lights. And just so y'all can see, you can add a light kit to it. It can take some punishment. Just depends on which one. It definitely gotta go behind the bumper. I know I'm playing myself trying to jump here. It's probably gonna be it. Probably break an arm or something. Perfect. Whoa. Yo. Hold on, let me see if I got that. He survived that. I ain't gonna keep doing that. This back here, man. Yeah, my fun is over.
Here we go again.
The battery wire got disconnected, started loose. Gotta restart that when I get back to the crib. Yo, but I was hard on it. I know it was hot. I should have been stopped. But yo, this thing is a beast. This is not a bashing motor anyway, motor in the ESC, but I was bashing on it. You know, it got real hot. Got real hot and shut down on me. Well, desoldered. But as always, oh, got an Eco Power servo, my bad. 22th pinion, running that Onyx battery 5200 80C. But you see how it was pushing? It was pushing hard. Definitely pushing hard. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.